Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to block ads on any Poco phone. Now the first step is to open the security app. Now from here just tap on settings. Now from here scroll down. Now from here just disable receive recommendations. Now once you disable this feature, just go to your home screen. Now from here just open these app folders. Now from here just tap on the name of the folder. Now from here just disable today's recommendations. Now from here just do the same with all the folders on your smartphone. Just like that. Now from here just go to the settings app and search ad services. Now from here just tap on add services and disable personalized ads. Now from here once you have disabled this option, just go to your home screen and open the Google app. Now from here just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here just scroll down and tap on settings. Now from here just scroll down and tap on other settings. Now from here just disable discover. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the Google Chrome browser. Now from here just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here just tap on settings. Now from here scroll down and tap on site settings. Now from here scroll down. Now from here just select pop-ups and redirects. Now from here just disable pop-ups and redirects. And this is how you can block ads on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.